Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, we back in the stock room, back to bring you another review. So today, as you've seen the intro of the video, we're going to be reviewing the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Big Money Savings. So, I want to get right into this. I'm sure there's reviews out there already, but I kind of wanted to bring you my review, my thoughts on the shoe, along with the on foot, and kind of, do some lace swapping with the extra laces that the shoe came with as well. Let me get right into the description that Sneakers gave on their app to kind of describe the theme of the shoe and why it was, how it came about. So for the savvy shoppers who enjoy scoring on a deal of a lifetime, the Nike SB Dunk Low brings a deep discount to your favorite skate shop. Take one look at the plush padded collar and tongue and tell me you don't want to immediately slide your foot right in there. So it has lightweight cushioning, comes with complete Zoom Air for bounce and comfort. A premium mix of leather, textile, cast, and array of colors creates a look that's rich with texture and intrigue. The inner tongue label has a tear-off receipt that gives you 58 cool points to use towards your cooler than claims. Use them wisely while you celebrate the big savings you're chasing and sometimes getting. Skate hard, stay frugal, and never stop rocking dunks. So that's the description that Nike gave it. So without further ado, let's get into the review. All right, cool, like we always do. Let's start off with the box. Got your Nike SB box, the purple box. SB branding on the side here. Nike branding on the back of the box. Sizing tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, PRM, which is premium. So it got a Baroque brown, Summit white. It's funny how they don't mention the blue that's on here, so I don't know. You'll see when I pull it out. It looks more of a Tiffany blue, but that's the sizing tag. Size 10, my true to size. Nike Dunk Lows for the box. Of course, you get the sticker. Green paper. Let's pick the shoes up. Comes with that standard green Nike SB Dunk Low Pro paper. No quality control stamps inside the box, but you do have your box dimensions right there. Oh yeah, you do, sorry, apologize. You should have a quality control sticker, green sticker there. Cool. That's enough for the box. Let's get into the shoe. Here you have it, the Nike Dunk SB Low, big money savings. So let's jump right into it. Let's start with the outsole. Of course, you got that, I call it Tiffany blue outsole. And it's, the recycled outsole. That's why it has those specs in there. So if you bought Nike recently from the recycled series, you'll know that this outsole comes, with the speckles. So you have your, I don't know what this is. It's like a burnt orange, or they didn't say what this colorway is, but you got that colorway and the Nike SB tab in the middle of the shoe. As we move to the side of the shoe and the midsole, you have that, sail midsole. Moving up to the upper, you have like a gray swoosh and it's got that cracked leather in it. Mid panel of the shoe, I don't know what kind of material this is, but you have some type of design that's in the side of the shoe. And you can see it's kind of glossy, kind of metallic, in my opinion. And for me, what this looks like, it's almost like this whole shoe is kind of like, you go thrift shopping and it's like a combination of all different kind of materials and items that you can get at a thrift store. That's my concept of this shoe. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm getting from it. As we move to the upper, we have this, it's not that plush suede that we normally see on certain SBs, but it is a nice suede, but it doesn't have that backstroke motion. It is kind of rough, but not really. So if that helps explain it, it's kind of like a rough, smooth suede. So in that Baroque brown, I believe this is the Baroque brown part of the shoe. As we move to the front of the shoe, you can see your toe cap. For me, this is like a khaki color. You know, it kind of feels like almost like, I don't know, man, like curtains or something like that. It's strange. I don't know. I can't really describe. It's like a canvas, but not really as, you know, rough like a canvas. So you got that on the toe box. And again, going around the toe cap, you got that Baroque brown and that suede. As we move to the front of the shoe, you can see you got that this colorway going all the way up. It's like a, you know, like a khaki colorway going all the way up, almost feel like a pillow with this fat tongue. Got your Tiffany blue Nike SB Dunk Low Pro on the tag, rope laces. And as we move to the back of the shoe, you got your Nike and that cursive and that burnt orange. I'm gonna call it burnt orange or whatever it is. Doesn't look like it's exactly red. Kind of looks like burnt orange to me. And that sale tab in the back, and then you got some another set of material, almost like a corduroy material here, going around the back of the shoe right here, all the way up to the ankle collar and the sock liner. And if you look at the inside of the shoe, you got 58% off Nike SB, save now. Underneath of that, nothing. Underneath of the small tag, nothing. Nike branding on the back. Inside shoe, of course, shoe paper. And also the rope laces has like some metal tips as well. If you look at the inside of the shoe, we got that Nike SB with some roses around, the flowers and roses around it, and that green and red. Pretty cool. As we look at the right shoe comes with the extra laces. Again, I'm calling it Tiffany blue. You got the Tiffany blue and then that like burnt orange as well. And then the inside was different than the right shoe. The inside, you have the big money savings, but you look at this tag, look how long it is. Yeah, Nike, boy, they be doing the most sometimes. So you got that on the top of the tag, you got Nike skateboarding, big money savings. And then you have some more branding there, and you got 58 cool points. You want it, you got it. Big deals, 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 deals at the bottom. It's crazy, nothing on the back of the tag. And then of course you got the same Nike SB with the roses and inside the flowers. That's crazy. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna feel on my foot. Once I put my foot in here for the on feet, I'm gonna see if you can really, if this is gonna irritate my foot, or you know, how I'm gonna position this inside the shoe. Of course you can tear it off, but I'm gonna leave it on for now. But yeah, that's the review. You know, I really like this shoe. It's growing on me, definitely growing on me. I like all the materials that's on it. I like the colorway. So I'm really curious to see what it's gonna look like once I put it on foot and then do the lace swap. So, you know, let's get right into that. Let's not waste any more time. Let me jump back in front of the camera, give you my thoughts, and let's get straight into the on foot. All right, so that was a review of the big money savings. You know, take a look at these again. Tell me what your thoughts are. Did you guys go for a pair of these? Is this not your style? You're not really feeling these? You know, let me know in the comment section down below. As far as if you want to go ahead and purchase these, I believe they did sell out on all sites, but they're not going for too much on the resale market. So these are very affordable. I think they're only going maybe like 20, 30 bucks above retail, depending on your size. So you're looking to get them off the secondary market. You know, just be careful. You know what I'm saying? Make sure, you know, you use a site that you're comfortable with. So for me, I think these are dope. I like them a lot. And like I said, I'm curious to see what these are gonna look like on foot for me. And as far as like with the different lace options that they give you with the shoe. So I think the Tiffany blue is gonna be probably my best look that I'm feeling right now. That's just the vibe I'm getting. So we're gonna look at all three, but I think the Tiffany one is that's gonna be the one that's gonna be the deal breaker for me, I'm pretty sure. So again, if you're new to the channel, you know, thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, share the channel. On the road to 1,000, we're gonna keep grinding. And let's go ahead and hit you with this on foot. And until the next cop, I'm out.
Rob. Rock Money North.
I know. The way I'm dipping, steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one, I'm so white, this world they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time.